afraid of to blend it out nicely, because they are gonna blend it nice. And okay, and then I'm gonna put the no wax top coat on the top of the condensed glue gels. This step will help, the no wipe top coat and condensed glue gel will help grab the crystal nice in a nice place. Okay. Oh, I really like that. I like that. But I like yellow better. Make wax stuff get in there. So far away. It's so slippery. I'm continue to add the bar, which is a frame. I'm freaking love this. It's so cool and stunning. I have a wax on the top of this. I'm gonna wipe it off later. And then my beads. You know what, everyone? I can sit here all day long and do this. It's my good therapies. Off subject for a minute. I have one of my friends who has, oh my God, I miss doing nails. I miss a customer, and then she got the business is locked down in all different states. You know, so all you can do is stay positive and pray, and we all need to know what to do. Take good care of yourself and your family. Do whatever power is the best to do to protect yourself and your community or people who surround you. It is like all of us go through it. So do not panic and stress, because it doesn't take us anywhere, and it just makes us drive us crazy. So you see how I'm doing your nails, everything in it. Even though I'm like, something we can't really control it. We can do the best of it. Things will come nicely. So we prepare for the worst, but we wish for the best. So, you know, you see that how I'm eating this for a whole entire, like, couple hours, and I don't stress myself. It's just kind of a balance and therapies, because if you worry too much, it doesn't take you anywhere. It just drives us really crazy. So I told my friend, just practice all the nails. I haven't been, like, get chance to doing it. So, like, if you miss it, then when you come back in 2 weeks, you have, like, hey, you can share with all your clients that something new. After 2 weeks, you got practice, you know. If something, trust me, I have a lot of things that I'm gonna do if I'm being locked out over here. I can't sit still, you know me. So you might find me doing it like a live video million times a day. And you to the point that, Nancy again, you know? It's just like cool and sharing with all of you. I love you all, you know. I hope everything will be, you know, okay, and soon we're gonna have like a solution for this. So if anyone needs the toilet paper, I got some. I can ship it to you, promise. Okay, 60 seconds in under the LED light. Anybody need alcohol? I have it. I can ship it to you, so don't panic. All right, glow in the dark. Wow, whatever neon is. So, okay, look at this. I have 2 nails down. I'm doing some, it looks like Pepsi. Is that true though? You know, I want this one to be lighter, but it turned out the kind of a hot pink, I guess. But guess what? I'm gonna not let it win me. I'm gonna put something freaking cool in here. Where my blue? See, go with the flow. I'm not gonna let it like. Oh, this one is a good blue too. I'm looking at it like Hold on, I'm taking a minute break so then I can see all of you. What do you say? Yeah. Shanisha. It looks red though, but it's pink. You want to see that colors? I show you. That's why I said, oh, I did it so many times and I keep forgetting that it's like more red and pink. Puts brow freezing crystal. Brow freezing crystal. Precision glue. Oh, this one turned out nice. I really freaking love this. Okay, check all of my cracks, gaps, crevice of the crystals. And I feel scratchy right here. I am gonna seal this guy. So then they're gonna stay nice and secure in one place. Looks good. Tin tip brush. My tin tip brush. I'm gonna. Yeah, it look like this. That's why. I'm nailing out monomer and no one shipped to where I live. No one's. So where did you get your monomer though? To Namek. Okay, I blend this and Kia for 60 seconds. It looks like a soda. It looks like a Pepsi. I know, right? Maybe I should do something like a color. I do have that colors. This one. Like something like that. It's weird that it's happened to be Pepsi. Okay, close this one. This one I'll leave it alone. I'm gonna top coat this one. So stunning. No wipe top coat. Do they still do delivery for you? To Namak from a company on the mainland of UK. I live on Iceland. The blue crystal, yes, I can't wait. Okay, this one is done. So I'm gonna wait. But this one is turned out nice. Look at that. on the bottom. Do you want to see my half of my nails not done? I got short nails this time. Surprise! Okay, this nail is showing first before we move on to the next one. We did 2 of this.